In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 essential accessories that I feel like every man must have in their collection. Alright, what's up guys? My name is Ben and welcome to my channel. Without further ado, let's hop right into it. Alright, so number 1 on the list is a nice chain or a nice necklace. Now I feel like this is probably the most essential accessory out of this entire list. Mainly I feel that way just because I think a chain or a necklace can add so much to your outfit and can do so much to refine your outfit. The great thing about a chain is that it really helps to complement your outfit. In saying that, there's so many different types of styles of chains out there that range from super expensive to super cheap. So you have a variety to choose from when looking for the individual chain that suits your own personal style. Personally, the chain that I have is actually passed down from a family member, so it has a lot of meaning to me, and that's why I feel like it's such an essential and why I wear it so much. But with that being said, you don't really need to go for something that necessarily has a lot of meaning to you. You can just buy something that you like and then just wear it to complement and enhance your own style. Alright, so number 2 on the list is a nice clean watch. Now the great thing about a watch is you can really dress it up, you can dress it down, depending on the occasion you can wear it formally or casually. A watch really helps to take your outfit to the next level and really help to refine your outfit overall. Probably the best thing about watches, similar to chains, is that there's so many different types of options out there. You can go for something more cheap if you're on a budget, or you can go for something more high-end if you're looking for a more expensive watch and if you have maybe a watch collection. The watch that I picked up is actually the only watch that I own at the moment, and the great thing about this watch is that it's long lasting. You can really wear it with any outfit, so it's really versatile, and I feel like it looks more expensive than what it actually is. So that's really what you want to look for when you're looking to buy a watch. Another thing that you want to look for when you're buying a watch is you want to look for something that's really stylish, really clean, really simple, and not only that, something that really helps to add a little bit more maturity and professionalism, as I feel like watches should, to an outfit. Alright, so number 3 on the list is a nice clean bracelet. I mean, what more can you say about a bracelet? Everyone has one, it looks good, it's stylish, and it can add so much to your outfit. Alright, so number 4 on the list is cologne. Cologne is considered an accessory to me mainly because I feel like it can add a lot to your outfit. Adding a scent to an already great outfit will make you feel and stand out that much more. Not to mention the fact that everyone will notice it. Also, I feel like smell is a very important and overlooked element of your style. Alright, so number 5 on the list is a nice pair of sunglasses. I feel like every man needs a clean pair of sunglasses in their closet, especially now that summer is really in full effect. Sunglasses look good, they enhance your overall outfit and your appearance, and they're a cool, clean accessory. I mean, what more is there to say? Alright, there you have it guys. That's my list for the top 5 essential accessories that I feel like every man must have in their collection. Let me know what you guys think down below. Please feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with everyone if you enjoyed. And for now, thanks for watching. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, man, them the shot toss.